Lesson number 1.1, don't give up. Don't give up means we should not stop doing something which we wanted to do or which we want to do. So we will move on to our question number 1, meaning. Patient, a person with calm endurance means one person should have that much patience to wait for the good things to happen instead of getting hyper. Second, sturdy, strong means whatever the situation is you have to be strong there, not should not get weak. Third, oak, a delicious forestry, has said in the explanation also, oak is a tree which has been found in the forest. Fourth, give up, lose heart and stop trying means you should not lose your heart and stop trying. Instead of that means some people what they do, they feel that they can't do and they lose their heart means they lose the hope of doing that thing, and instead of and they even stop trying for it. Fifth, you beat means you won, means you have won some of the battle, means you have been matched by working hard. Sixth, loftier, taller and stronger. Whatever the situation may be, it may be good or bad, you have to always be strong and taller. Should not race down. You should be raised up. Seventh, victory, success achieved means after a lot work hard and after being so much giving patience, you have won that match by waiting in a patience manner. You have success that achieved means after working so hard without losing hope. That's called a victory. We will move on to our question answer. Question number 2, answer the following. What should we not do if we have tried but not what? Now question is that if you wanted to do something and you are not able to do, so what you will do? Answer, if we have tried but not won, we should never stop for crying or feel deserted. Means if you wanted to do something and you are not able to do, so you will not lose hope from self and you will feel deserted that I can't do, I will not do, or I am not able to do. Instead of that, you should keep on trying and you should remind yourself that good and better things come with a great effort. Second, two elements of nature mentioned in the poem. There were two natures of element mentioned in the poem, that was oak tree and the young bird. Young bird, about the bird which was mentioned in the poem, and about the tree also was mentioned. Third, pick out the rhyming word from the poem. There were some rhyming words at the stanza of each paragraph. So it is won, done, crying, trying, stronger, longer, known, grown, beat, defeat. Fourth one, what happens to the young bird while they try to fly? Here now question is that when young bird tries to fly, what happens with them? The young bird fall as they try to fly. First time, second time, many times they tries to fly. What happen? They falls down when they goes to fly. Fifth, complete a web diagram with the action word. Now while reading this poem, while learning this poem, there were some action words was mentioned. So we will check out what are that action words. Grow means how birds are growing or children are growing, we have to grow like that. Trying, we should keep on trying, like how bird is trying, like that. Crying, we should not sit and cry whatever the situation may be. Flying, how bird is flying, like that. So thank you.